Alright, we got this light precariously perched. It already fell twice. Hope it doesn't fall again. And I'm blind from looking at it. um, just got back from the gym. We did like chest and triceps. And what better cereal to eat than Cinnamon Cheerios protein? We got the yoked Cheerios today. I don't know if I've ever actually really tried a cereal that's branded as protein. Most cereal has protein in it, but it's usually only a few grams. This is claiming they have 8 grams per 1 cup. I used to put cinnamon on my Cheerios at one point. I would do sugar, just normal Cheerios, sugar, cinnamon, and it was really good. I liked it a lot. So I'm excited to see how these see how these taste. They are gluten free for all you glutards out there. All Cheerios are gluten free because they're made with oats instead of wheat. Now let's get into it. Come on. There we go. It smells like cinnamon. Ooh. Oh. I have a feeling these are going to be really good. Already, they kind of taste like a churro. I love churros. Yeah. Spot the difference on the back. Pause the video to spot. Alright. Whoa. The milk cap is shedding. Alright, can you see that? They look like normal Cheerios, just a little bit more dark, I guess. Alright, first bite, here we go. Cheers. They are very cinnamony. That was the very, very first thing I thought. They're not too sweet. They kind of taste like a churro. Now I'm curious on what a churro is made from. Churros are wheat. So, flour, water, butter, egg, salt. Those are good. Yeah, those are really good. The more I eat them, the less the cinnamon is so, like, aggressive, I guess. I wonder what they put in for the protein. Oat sugar pea protein. They're peeing in our protein. PEA protein. Do peas have protein? Pea protein. Pea protein is a food product and protein supplement derived and extracted from a yellow and green split pea. Huh. split peas have 8 grams of protein per 1 cup of peas, green peas. Interesting. I had no idea. You learn something new every day. Those are really good. To be clear, they don't taste like peas. They taste like a churro. Hope you guys have a great week. I got another cereal that I just actually bought today. I bought these a while ago. So stay tuned for that one. See ya.